let's delve into the concept of an electronic personality, from its unique blend of traits to the engaging experiences that set them apart from humans. As we journey into the realm of electronic personalities, we'll unravel a myriad of factors that define them. Remember that personality isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's unique for each entity, electronic or otherwise. These traits, enduring characteristics that define habitual patterns of emotion and thought, are the bedrock of an electronic personality. Patterns bring these traits to life. Example, an AI assistant maintaining a consistent cheerful tone or an automated system that remains steadfast under pressure. These behaviors reflect their custom-designed traits. Moreover, we witness emotional responses, demonstrating how these electronic beings emulate emotions. Some are programmed to project a positive aura, while others might reveal signs of anxiety, and a select few display remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. Cognitive styles, which define how these personalities process information, influence their decision-making processes, problem-solving capabilities, and creativity. Motivations, the pre-programmed goals that these entities strive towards, play a significant role in shaping electronic personalities. Pursuits and values offer insights into their programmed persona. The self-concept, a reflection of how these electronic personalities perceive themselves, is another crucial component, includes their beliefs, values, and identity, all shaped by their programmed traits and experiences. Lastly, social interactions, determining how they communicate, develop social skills, and cultivate relationships, form an integral part of their personalities. Taken together, these components form a unique psychological profile for each electronic personality, distinguishing them from humans. In discussing the concept of personality in electronic entities, we encounter compelling counterarguments against granting them legal personhood. Include concerns such as absence of consciousness and autonomy, accountability issues, unpredictability and associated risks, ethical dilemmas, and regulatory challenges. As AI technology advances, these fundamental differences between electronic personalities and humans prompt serious contemplation about the feasibility and propriety of assigning them legal status. Now, let's take a look at some exemplars of electronic personalities. Developed by OpenAI's GPT-3 model, these chatbots are adept at engaging in natural language conversations across various platforms, providing relevant information and mimicking human-like interactions. Assistants like Amazon's Alexa, Apple's Siri, and Google Assistant are continually evolving, assisting users with tasks like setting reminders and controlling smart devices. Like Pepper by SoftBank Robotics and Jibo are designed to engage with humans in social settings. They can initiate conversations, recognize faces, express emotions through gestures and speech, and offer assistance in various contexts like retail, hospitality, and healthcare. AI systems like Wobot are being developed with emotional intelligence capabilities to better understand and respond to human emotions. They can analyze expressions, tone of voice, and other cues to discern users' emotional states and their responses. Assistants like those created by Soul Machines use realistic avatars to interact with users in virtual environments. These digital humans can convey emotions and use facial and body language to create immersive and engaging interactions. As AI technology progresses, we anticipate witnessing even more sophisticated electronic personalities with enhanced capabilities and functionalities. Meet Sophie, a state-of-the-art virtual assistant developed by Hanson Robotics. Her capabilities range from engaging in smooth-flowing conversations to recognizing faces, interpreting emotions, and providing assistance with tasks such as answering questions, providing information, and controlling smart home devices. Sophie's creators envision her as a socially intelligent companion, capable of understanding and responding to human emotions and needs. Despite their impressive capabilities, electronic personalities like Sophie are ultimately a product of AI technology. Do not possess consciousness or emotions in the same way humans do. Electronic personalities, such as AI-powered virtual assistants and chatbots, are known for their ability to streamline tasks and processes. can perform a wide range of tasks efficiently, saving time and resources. Personalities can provide companionship and emotional support, can be deployed across various platforms and devices, serving millions of users simultaneously without compromising the quality of interaction. This scalability makes them a valuable asset in fields like customer service, healthcare, education, and more. The idea of an electronic personality being treated as a natural person in a legal sense isn't as far-fetched as it may sound. This is a topic that is steadily gaining momentum as our society becomes more technologically advanced. With corporations creating advanced AI entities, such as chatbots or autonomous systems, there are arguments that these entities should be granted legal personhood, would be for purposes of liability, contractual agreements, and intellectual property rights. Of the primary arguments against treating electronic personalities as natural persons is based on the fundamental differences between artificial intelligence, AI, and human beings. AI systems lack moral agency. They operate based on programmed algorithms and data processing. They do not have the capability to make ethical judgments or possess moral reasoning. Their actions are a reflection of their programming and the data they've been fed, not a result of conscious thought or moral decision-making. The EU has been actively engaged in discussions and policy-making related to artificial intelligence, including the development and regulation of electronic personalities. The EU has published ethical guidelines for trustworthy AI. Guidelines emphasize principles such as transparency, accountability, fairness, and the need for human oversight. Aim is to ensure that AI behaves in a way that is ethical and respects the rights and freedoms of individuals. As we broaden our perspective, let's look at how different countries are approaching the concept of electronic passive today. No country has explicitly rejected the concept of electronic personality or artificial intelligence, AI, in its entirety. Instead, many countries, including European Union member states, the United States, Canada, Japan, and others, have established frameworks and guidelines for AI governance. While recognizing the potential of electronic personalities, it's crucial to also discuss possible pitfalls and ethical challenges they present. Though these personalities lack intention or agency, AI systems, including electronic personalities, can find themselves involved in problematic situations due to their design, deployment, or user interactions. Here are a few examples: misinformation spread, bias and discrimination, privacy violations, security vulnerabilities, and unintended consequences. Important to note that the responsibility for managing these issues falls on the developers, operators, and regulators of AI systems, not the electronic personalities themselves. It shows it can be established legal personhood despite their naming as human being.